Here's a lot of wind. We do not want to swim. What can we do? We sit on the and
Yes,
sand.
good job.
We dig in it. Zip and zap like to yip and play in it.
Good.
Here are sticks, some rocks.
Good.
Here are some sticks. We make a playhouse. Zip, yip, and yap.